If you're doing a larger installation, assemble your individual frames and then set them about 18 inches apart. What we want to do now is bridge the gap between them. So just like when you're assembling a single frame, set the edge of one tile on one side and then bring it over so that it's in the other side. Get the two sides where they're pretty parallel so that once again you can just rock it in. What we're doing is we're bridging the gap here so that we get the distances correct. So I'm just going to continue adding tiles to the entire length, just like I normally would on an individual kit. That way everything stays nice and straight. And at this point, this is when I would go in and situate the platform in its proper spot, anchor it, if that is what you want to do. And if you want to keep on adding, you just keep on repeating this process. So I can just keep going that way with it as long as I need to.